Guys, so we have just the cold drinks now, and we have. Hey guys, look at the sauces now. Here we are with the sauces, spices, ketchup, and everything. So we have now everything. We have the hopes or bread. Now waiting for the main chicken. These are the sauces. Guys, so we have just the cold drinks now, and we have gloves. I was not sure it's a tissue paper, but if you open it, then you will have a glove like this. This is already open, so that you don't get dirty or messy when you have the chicken broth and everything. Oh, these are two pairs. So, nice one. Hi guys, finally our food is there. Roast and fries and bread. Let's jump into it. Yep. And get messy. This is lavash.